Welcome to Minnesota Spine and Sport. I'm Dr. Scott Schreiber, the owner and clinic director. You're in our reception area? Come on back. Now, right here, we've got some snacks and drinks for you. Again, we change them out weekly, so you get a wide variety of choices and you can come and have them anytime. So come on back here. We're going down the hall. This is our clinic side. And we'll come on in room 1 here. We'll be happy to show you around. This space here is one of our passive modality rooms. We can do acupuncture, dry needling, cupping, laser therapy in this room. Plenty of space to sprawl out and relax, and nice and quiet. All right, we're gonna go down to room 2 here. Now in room 2, we have a lot more space than in room 1. The nice part is that this is one of our exam rooms. We do some treatments in here as well, but it's close to the front door. So if we need a little bit more room, wheelchairs, if you're on crutches or a boot, or just decreased mobility, this space is great for you. All right, we're gonna head down the hall here to room 3. All right. And in room 3 here, again, we have another passive modality room. The nice part, what I really like, is the fact that we offer things like blankets, noise machines, heat lamps, things like that to make your experience a little bit more comfortable and more restful. So if you have any questions, let me know. We can always grab you some stuff. Okay. Room 4, same thing here. Lots of space. Again, we'll have our blankets, passive modalities, acupuncture, dry needling, etc. Moving down the hall, we're going into room 6 here. Again, table's a little different. Again, my favorite part is the nature. I love having the birds coming to the feeder out there, squirrels, rabbits. You see the whole nature doing its thing. It's pretty amazing. All right, come on down to room 7. Again, more nature. Table, same thing here. Lots of manipulation happens in these rooms, lots of manual therapies. Let me show you our decompression table. So it's set up for a lower back, but we can also use it for the neck, various injuries and conditions. We have our PEMF unit over here, as well as our electrostimulation machine. What's nice about this little area is it's private, you have nice, comfortable chairs, and you can kick your feet up. But my favorite part of the clinic is our 1,000-foot rehab space. And it's designed with you as the patient in mind. We have all sorts of different things to help you. So let me show you. We can come on over to our table here. This table is great for beginning exercises and things on your back. We have our bicycle. We've got our treadmill. You have your bands back there. Again, with you as the patient in mind, whatever your goals are. Moving forward, we have some kettlebells, our dumbbells, and our strength equipment for more advanced exercises. And we also have an entire wall of bands and TRX straps and whatever you need to get better. So if you're in sports, if you're playing football, baseball, basketball, if you're in a car accident, if you're in a work injury, we have enough space here to help you achieve those goals. So if you have any questions, I want you to please reach out to me. I'd be happy to talk to you about anything, and I want to see you soon. So if you have any questions, talk to me, Dr. Scott Schreiber.